6 mistakes you make that are barriers to your leadership skills. In this presentation, you will learn 6 mistakes that may be barriers to your leadership skills. Those barriers are the following. Trying to do everything by yourself. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they want to develop their leadership skills is to believe that they have to do it on their own. It is crucial to involve others to achieve continued success as a great leader. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Good leaders don't have all the answers. Just ask. By trusting others, others will feel valued and increase their motivation. Surround yourself with smart and passionate people who are experts in their fields, especially in those you know less about. Failing at communication skills. Communication is undoubtedly the leader's most important tool. For some, it is also the most complex and the most difficult to master. Being open means listening and being humble. The leader must welcome criticism and opposing ideas without feeling threatened. He must accept that he does not know everything. He can make mistakes, and that his employees may be more competent and know more than he does about certain subjects. Also, learn that silence is a form of communication that can be very effective in some situations. Not learning from mistakes. If you are the type of person that gets embarrassed about the mistakes you make, you are very likely going to try to ignore and forget that mistake as soon as possible. On the other hand, accepting responsibility for making a mistake and trying to grow out from it is an excellent opportunity to become a better leader. Confessing an error is an opportunity to make things better. When we become accountable for our actions, it is reassuring and inspiring to others. Do others' work. Do you tend to do other people's chores or work because you believe that there's nothing better than doing it yourself? If so, that is a big mistake because your behavior demonstrates that you don't trust others' skills and knowledge. It could even be perceived as the fact that you might think you are better than others. Instead of doing the work of others, try to be more compassionate. It might not be like you would do it, but that's okay. Others have the right to do their job their way. I'm sure you would not like to be told how to do your job either. Learn to let go of that need to have everything perfect. With time, you might develop a good relationship with others, and they will be more open to learning from you. Stuck in your ways. A good leader is curious and satisfies his curiosity daily. Try to learn something new every day. Be curious, read, take notes, explore alternatives. Keep up to date with what's new in your industry. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. For example, new methodologies to grow your skills. Not have a clear vision. If you don't know where you're going, you can get lost. Make a list of your long-term goals. It's not a matter of writing down all the things you'd like to do that you haven't been able to do yet, but rather the horizon towards which you want to guide your plans. Your goals and vision need your energy and your time and money. So make them visible so you can think about them every day and take long-term decisions to reach those goals. Be clear about what you want.